Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter at AGORACOM TV, a daily fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Thursday, June the 2nd, I've got 6 press releases for you. Canada, U.S., China. We're going to go around the world. Let's start off first in Canada. Intrepid Minerals, IAU on the TSX and in Australia released a preliminary economic assessment. On one of their projects, they're demonstrating a life of project annual average production of 143,000 recovered ounce of gold for 9 years at a cash cost of $376 per ounce. That's net of silver credits at $16.50. I'm going to talk about that in a second. Based on those numbers, post-tax cumulative cash flow, $445 million. That's at gold. That's at a gold price of $1,050 per ounce. However, we know gold is significantly higher, silver is significantly higher. The company's given us a scenario there saying the deposit has considerable leverage to metal prices. Take today's prices, ballpark $1,450 gold, $38 silver. Cash will increase to $940 million. They closed yesterday at $1.94, $2.45 on their 52-week high, 42.5 cents on the low, so doing really well. This morning, the indication is they're going to open up at $1.93. It's still early. That's a penny below their close. Next up, Spanish Mountain Gold. SPA hit 204 meters, grading 0.46 grams ton of gold, including 53 meters, grading 0.74 grams ton of gold. This is on their Spanish Mountain project in British Columbia. 30% of the total drill holes that have been planned have been drilled. They're designed to upgrade mineralization from the inferred to measured and indicated categories. Naturally, they got a bunch of other highlight drill results. Go take a look at those. Company's got no debts. They own 100% of 4 gold properties in British Columbia. Closed yesterday, 70 cents. Pretty tight trading range over the year. 83 at the high, 38.5 at the low. Spanish Mountain today looks like it's going to open at 66 cents. That's lower. That's well below the 70-cent close. So there may be shareholder expectations that weren't met here. Finally, BSM in Canada, BSM Technologies, GPS, on the Venture Exchange announced that they awarded a $900,000 contract to expand services of an existing client. I like that. You're talking about almost $1 million in repeat business. Very, very good sign from a third party or commercial acceptance point of view. What do? They provide remote monitoring, fleet management, fleet diagnostics, and vehicle security solutions. This contract is for asset tracking. It's to a major Canadian transportation services provider. They're not announced the name of the company. BSM equipment is going to be installed on approximately 800 vehicles. Now, this expands their existing relationship with the client, which has over 1,500 vehicles installed in another division. Later this year, an additional 400 vehicles are going to be installed in that division, bringing BSM's total with the client to about 2,700 vehicles and a contract size of $1.2 million. Ali Rumtula, President CEO, said, ever since we got this client, vehicle installations have expanded by over 3 times, delivering a measurable improvement in fleet utilization. You know the product's got to be working because the company is repeating their business. Closed yesterday, 4 cents, 2.5 on the 52-week low, 6 cents on the high. This morning looks like it's going to open between 4 and 4.5. Next up, Command Center out of the U.S. OTCBB, CCNI is a stock symbol. They've been on the show before. I like this business. They're announcing revenue of $6.62 million for the month of May. Not the quarter, not the year. They're bringing out monthly results. It means the company's got to be very happy with how they're doing. They're a national provider of on-demand and temporary staffing solutions. This is a 14% increase over May 2010. They got 53 stores now versus 50 stores a year ago. I like this business because of temporary staffing solutions. I don't see the job market getting a whole lot better in the U.S., so there's going to be more increased demand, I believe, for temporary staffing solutions versus full-time. Companies are a little hesitant to do hiring, but they will bring in help as they need it. I think Command Center is on that wave right now. Comparing the results, by the way, to last year's May numbers, even though they're up 14%, last May they had $700,000 in revenue, a significant portion of the revenue come in as a result of helping out the Gulf oil spill. So that was almost a one-time event. If you take out that $700,000, doing some quick math, 1.6, they actually would have been up about 32% year over year. Pretty good numbers. Closed just at 41 cents, 56 on the 52-week high, 18 on the low. Command Center this morning bidding 37, but asking 47. We haven't opened yet, so we'll see how that takes us. But good numbers. Going over to China, China Medical Technologies, CMED, put out their full year numbers. Revenue, 128.6 mil, up 16.5%. Net income, 12.6 million. That compares to a loss of 10.73 million. So big upside on the top line and on the bottom line. EBITDA is up 43% to $81 million. They closed yesterday 980, and they look like they're going to open big. In fact, they are open right now 1044. That's up 6.5%, 64 cents. Now 1056. They're trading rapid and big. The market likes this news. Why? Their 52-week low is 940. They closed yesterday at 980. Probably another example of Chinese small caps being thrown out with the bathwater. So the market's liking this number and trading pretty robust now in the 1050 in the 1054 area. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. I had another press release from China, EDU, but I think I've misplaced that one. But it looks like China EDU, CEDU, also had a press release. Go take a look at them. They're up 4% this morning to 668. As a wrap, that's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. If you're looking for more great resources news and you watch this on Global Investor, look below me or to the left of me to cover news to see news we've covered today over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not on the front page of AGORACOM, get there, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into the marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.